Hi, thanks for stopping by for air conditioning repair in Phoenix. You can give us a call at 480-809-9391. Living in Phoenix can be a little uncomfortable in the summertime, to say the least. If your air conditioning system needs repair or is completely crashed and burned, please have a professional come repair your HVAC system. We do residential and commercial air conditioning repair in Phoenix. A typical maintenance checkup should include the following. Take a moment to read through this checklist. Whether you're looking for cooling specific or heating specific, give us a call at Air Conditioning Repair Phoenix. That's 480-809-9391. Air Conditioning Repair Phoenix, when you need your HVAC repaired. Thanks.